do have access to a low budget smartphone and you have WhatsApp. This is why we decided to build the first teacher bot. But how it works? As simple as adding a contact number in your cell phone and you start learning and developing digital skills instantly with the support of our virtual assistant for free. Digital careers such as basic computers, science, data science, machine learning, AI, IoT, and many other skills for the future. So for example, you want to get trained. You just ask the bot that you want to learn, for example, digital literacy, and he's going to immediately give you all the details inside the messaging app. But why messaging apps? In Costa Rica, 83% of mobile internet users already have installed WhatsApp in their smartphones. What makes our solution the most inclusive way to allow people in remote areas to have access to quality education and develop digital skills. So for example, here you can continue learning, and he's gonna ask you about what do you learn from the module 1, and you need to pass the test to keep on advancing on your learning path. Our goal is to close the gender skills gap in 10% in the job market in Latin America for the first year and increase the access to high income jobs by 10% through the teacher bot by the end of this year. Some key features that we have, it's condense the training using the bot for developing youth population skills. Also connect youth with peers and mentors through the bot algorithm. Also connect certified youth with the organization hiring digital talent. And also promote the diversity quota. How we built it? We use natural language processing model and integrate with the WhatsApp API. What's next for our product? In the first 15 days, we're going to have a focus group where we validate which features the user need to learn through messaging apps. At day 30 to 60, we're going to validate with young people our solution pilot. And from the 60 to 90 days, we're going to reach the stakeholders such as e-learning platforms, governments, and the private sector to improve our content in the virtual assistant. Finally, help us break the education and gender barriers by supporting our teacher bot. We built this demo in just 1 day. Imagine what we are going to do when we get the whole support of the World Bank,